Arizona chopper motorcycle ride.
What is it about the roar of a custom chopper that sends a thrill down your spine? Is it the raw power thrumming beneath you, the wind whipping past, or perhaps the bond between man and machine that forms on the open road? Picture this, a group of rugged individuals, each with their own story etched into their weathered faces, embarking on a journey. A journey not just through the physical landscape, but also a journey of self-discovery and camaraderie. A journey through the arid expanse of the Arizona desert. Their steeds of choice? Custom choppers. Each one a reflection of its rider's personality and spirit, from the gleaming chrome to the intricate paint jobs. These bikes are not just transport, they're extensions of the men who ride them. As dawn breaks, they kick-start their engines. The symphony of power and precision fills the air, echoing off the distant mountains. The desert lies ahead, a vast sea of sand and rock, its beauty deceptive in its hostility. Yet, the riders face it with a sense of anticipation, a challenge to conquer. They ride, the sun rising higher, casting long shadows. The desert, vast and seemingly endless, presents its trials. The heat is relentless, the terrain unforgiving. Yet there's a sense of freedom, a liberation that comes with being in the heart of nature, on machines crafted by human hands. Through the day, they navigate the desert's trials, breakdowns, fatigue, even the occasional tumble. Yet each challenge strengthens the bond between them. They share tools, advice, even laughter. In the harsh desert, camaraderie blooms. As the sun dips below the horizon, they set up camp. Stories are shared around the fire, tales of past rides, of life's trials and triumphs. The desert, once a harsh adversary, now serves as a backdrop to their shared experiences. Reflecting on their journey, it's clear that it's more than just a ride through the desert. It's a testament to resilience, to the bond between men, and to the indomitable spirit of the motorcycle enthusiast. In the heart of the Arizona desert, on their custom choppers, they've found something. A sense of belonging, a shared understanding, a brotherhood forged in chrome and leather. As the fire dies down and the stars take over the night sky, they retire to their tents, the echoes of their laughter fading into the desert night. Tomorrow they ride again. Another day, another journey. In summary, the thrill of riding custom choppers, the camaraderie among tough men, and the challenge of the desert all combine to create a unique experience. An experience that's about more than just the ride. It's about the journey, the shared experiences, and the bonds formed in the heart of the desert. It's about finding freedom on two wheels, under the vast desert sky. It's about being a part of something bigger, a brotherhood of riders. It's about the thrill, the challenge, and the joy of the open road. And above all, it's about living life on your own terms, on the back of a custom chopper.
Hey guys, this is Cacti. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.